Assalamu alaikum students. This is a session of grade 1 mathematics subject. So students, how are you all? I hope you all must find by the grace of Allah. So students, now take out your math books, okay, and open your math books. Open page number 70, all of you. First of all, write down date here, 28/9/20. Write down classwork C.W. And the topic is about subtraction. How much is small, okay? So student, tell me how many apples are there? Yes, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 apples are there. And how many bananas are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas are there, okay? So there are 7 apples and there are 3 bananas, okay? So students, if I subtract 3 apples from 7 apples, so what now? How many apples are left? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 apples are there. So 3 is 4 smaller than 7. Yes, if you add 3 and 4 numbers, so it makes 7, and 7 and 3 and 4 number is smaller than 7 number, okay? And if you add 4 and 3, if you add 4 and 3 numbers, so what number we have? 7. So 7, 4 and is 3 smaller than 7. Yes, now fill in the blanks. Okay, 6 is 2 smaller than 8 is smaller than dash. Yes, tell me student, if you add 6 and 2 numbers, so what number we have? 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Yes, 2 is 6 smaller than 8, so 2 plus 6 is 8. Yes, 8 is 4 smaller than dash. 8 plus 4 is 12. Yes, 4 is dash smaller than 12. Yes, so it's 8. Then 10 is dash smaller than 16. If you add, how many numbers you have add in 10 number, it makes 16. Yes, 6. 6 is 10 smaller than 16. Yes, 14. Yes, how many numbers you have add in 8 numbers, so it makes 14. 6. Yes, 8 is 6 smaller than 14. Now 6 is 8 is smaller than 14. 9 is dash. Yes, how many numbers you have add in 9 number? 8. 9 and 8 makes 17, and 8 is 9 is smaller than 17. Now 12, how many numbers you have add in 12 number? 4. 12 is 4 smaller than 16. 4 is 12 smaller than 16, okay? So do complete this page. Now open page number 71. Subtraction, okay, write down date here, 28/9/20. Okay, write down classwork. Okay, subtraction of ones from 2-digit numbers. In this subtraction, ones are subtracted from ones and tens are remains the same. Yes, subtract 3 from 16. Yes, student, there are 2 numbers, okay, 2-digit numbers. You have to subtract from 1-digit number, okay. Tens, ones. The place value is tens and the place value is here ones. So 13 minus 2. Yes, tell me. If you subtract 3 minus 2, yes, 3 minus 2, to what number we have? 1. And 1 is remain as it is. 14 minus 3, yes. Then we have subtract from the ones place value. 4 minus 3, yes, 1. And 1 is 10 in tens place. 1 is remaining same. Yes, tens and 1. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 1's remain same. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 2 is same. 7 minus 4 is 3, yes, and 3 is same. 5 minus 5, yes, if you subtract 5 minus 5, so what number you have? 0, yes, and 4 is remaining same. Yes, 6 minus 1 is 5 and 1 is same. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 2 is remain same. Then 6 minus 4 is 2 and 2 is same. 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 is same. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 3 is same. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 4 is same. Do complete this page. Now open page number 72, all of you. Write down date here, 28/9/20. Write down classwork C.W. Yes. Subtraction of tens from 2-digit number. In the subtraction of ones are subtracted from ones and tens are subtracted from tens. Means there are 2-digit in tens place and 2-digit in ones place, okay? So you have to subtract these numbers. Yes. 5 minus 0, students, it's 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus 0 is 8 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Yes, 4 minus 0 is, yes, what number? 4. And 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. Yes. If you subtract 6 minus 4, yes, what number we have? 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 8 minus 0 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 8 minus 0 is 8. Yes, 4 minus 4 is 0 and 6 minus 0 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 3 minus 0 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 1, 6 minus 0 is 6. Yes, 7 minus 3 is 4 and 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3, 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1 and 8 minus 0 is 8. And then 9 minus 4 is 5 and 6 minus 0 is 6. Complete this page, all of you. Now come to page number 73, subtraction. This is the same pattern, okay. So write down date here, 28, 9, 20, write down class box, E.W. Yes, 28 minus 16. You have to subtract from tens place, ones place, okay. 2 minus 1, yes. So what number we have? 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 9 minus 7 is 2. Yes, if you subtract 2 minus 1, students, so what number we have? 1 and 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2. Yes, 9 minus 1 is 8 and 4 minus 2 is 2. If you subtract 8 minus 5, yes, what number we have? 3. Good. 6 minus 4, it's 2. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 8 minus 3 is 5. Then 8 minus 6 is 2 and 8 minus 6 is 2. Complete this page, all of you. Okay, 28, write down date, 28, 9, 20, write down C.W, write the missing numbers. Okay, fill in missing number in the given boxes. So, 9 minus dash is equal to 5. Yes, how much number we have to subtract from 9 that it makes 5? Yes, it's 3. No, it's 4. Yes, 9 minus 4 is 5. Yes, 2 minus dash is equal to 1. So 2 minus dash is equal to 1. How much number we have to subtract from 2 number? So it makes 1. 2 minus 1. 3 minus dash is equal to 1. 2. Very good. 4 minus dash is equal to 2. It's 2. 8 minus dash is equal to 1. Yes. How much number we have to subtract from 8 number? 7. 9 minus 4 you know very well. It's 5. 8 minus dash is equal to 1, it's 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 8 is 0. 7 minus dash is equal to 3. Yes. How much number we have to subtract? 4. 6 minus dash is equal to 4. Yes. How much number we have to subtract? 2. 9 minus dash is equal to 8. It's 1. 9 minus 8 is, yes student, it's 1. 8 minus dash is equal to 2. 6. 5 minus dash is equal to 1. It's 4. 7 minus 2. Yes, if you subtract 7 minus 2, it's 5. 9 minus dash is equal to 2, it's 7. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. If you subtract 6 minus 3, so what number you have? 3. 9 minus dash is equal to 7, it's 2. 8 minus dash is equal to 6, it's 2. 5 minus dash is equal to 0, it's 5. 6 minus dash is equal to 5, it's 1. 8 minus dash is equal to 4, it's 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. Yes, 9 minus dash is equal to 5. Yes, 4. 8 minus dash is equal to 3, it's 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 4 minus 0 is 4. Do complete this way. Now student, open page number 75, 28, 9, 20, write on date, write on class work. Subtraction, subtract mentally, okay. There are, how many flowers are there? There are, one, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Amna had 8 flowers. She gave how much flowers to Roma? 1, 2, 3. She gave 3 flowers to Roma. So how many flowers it had Amna? 8 minus 3, yes. If subtract 8 minus 3 is 5, yes. Amna had, she had 5 flowers now, okay. How many boys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 boys. So write 7 number. And but there are, how many beds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So 3 boys do not have beds. Mariam had how many cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cups. She gave 2 cups. How many cups? 1, 2. 2 cups to Umama. So 6 minus 2 is, how many cups are remain? 6 minus 2 is 4. She has 4 cups now. Yes, how many pencils are there? Ali had how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pencils are there. She gave how many pencils? 3. He gave how many pencils? He gave 3 pencils to Daniel. 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So he has now 6 pencils. Do complete this work, okay? So inshallah, okay. Inshallah we'll match you soon, okay? Okay, now open page number 76, write down date here, 28, 9, 20, write down class work, C.W, subtraction equation, okay. So there, how many candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles. And how many candles are there? 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is subtraction equation. So write down 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Simple. How many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And how many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3. So if you subtract 3 fish, so how many fishes are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So there are 5 fishes are left. And the equation is write down 8, write down 3, write down 5. Simple. Okay. This is we done in next class. Inshallah we'll match you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz all of you.